Are you looking for fun in the outdoors, such as fishing, kayaking, firearms, and RC aircraft and vehicles? Then this is the place to be. We've got some toys here. Hi, I'm Gary, and welcome to our Outdoors channel. My two sons and I grew up in Minnesota, the land of 10,000 lakes, and we've caught bass, walleye, northern pike, and muskie, what we call freshwater monsters. Muskies can get upwards of 100 pounds, and they have razor sharp teeth, and they can shred your hand pretty quickly. But there are ways to handle that safely. Also, lots of game animals, including ducks, geese, deer, bear, and the occasional moose. So for that, we used firearms and bow hunting. Then, when in the city, we race RC cars, rock crawlers, fly our airplanes and helicopters, and of course, some drones. Now on this channel, we will post videos of tips and tricks on our outdoor interests, which will include all of these. We also periodically review some products for your consideration. What we review is purchased by us, so we can give you an unbiased review and evaluation. In our videos, you will see some index marks on the timeline just below the video. That allows you to skip back and forth to sections of interest, especially if you're coming back to watch again and you want to focus in on a certain part of the video. As you may already know, with YouTube videos, you can control how you view it. You can play, pause, rewind, fast forward, and you can also control the play speed to slow it down or speed it up. There are also some options where you can enlarge the video for a closer look at something. I usually use the Control plus key combination on my Windows PC. I think on a Mac, the Command key is the same as the Windows Control key. Now, we cover a wide range of topics, so we don't proclaim to be an expert in any. It's kind of like being a jack of all trades but expert at none, but we still have some tricks to share. Now, periodically, we publish videos, but not on any set schedule yet. We're just having fun and want to share some of our adventures, tips, and tricks with you. We will likely have some videos produced in collaboration with some others, such as my two sons, Pat and Mike, and some other friends. Now, if you see a product or an item you want to get in any of our videos, we will often have links to find them in the video description below the video. Do read the video descriptions below the video, as there will be additional information there and updates and corrections. Now, we love getting tips, tricks, and information from our viewers in the comments that they leave. We appreciate feedback from everyone, and we learn a lot from viewers and get a lot of great ideas from you. We are interested in your questions and what you want to see. But please keep it clean, as this is a family channel. Now, some of our videos may seem a bit jerky, especially in my older videos, as I sometimes edited out some audio things, but the video is not fluid with it. Those are quite choppy. It's kind of like that old TV series, Max Headroom. Now, I'm trying to be better. We don't have a production crew, editing staff, or studio. We do it all ourselves. So you'll still see some jump cuts on occasion. We're just a couple of novices trying to be a little bit better. So please take a look through our playlists and enjoy. Please subscribe and be sure to hit that bell icon so you won't miss anything. We have a website at garysoutdoors.com. Please check it out. It is in the developing stages yet, and we'll be adding content and resources to support our videos on YouTube. Enjoy the outdoors and have fun. Thank you.